Hello, you guys. Welcome to another week of the home renovation. This is week 2, so this is demo week.
Jesus Christ. Knock, knock.
So I wanted to take you guys through what the windows look like. I didn't do that on the first video, but this is the reason why all the windows had to be replaced and then all the casings had to be redone. Just because every window had dry rot all the way around, which is essentially water damage. This window is probably the worst window. Yeah, it's looking bad. So I wanted you guys to see the bathroom before we did the demo because I wanted you to see before. But this right here was a contingency that I had in my contract when I closed on a house. The whole entire bathroom was dry rot because the bathtub was leaking into the wall, and so it caused the entire floor and the wall to rot.
Yeah, I haven't been here all day.
Oh,
I picked up material and then I've been here for like an hour and a half.
well, you guys have been moving fast.
Yeah. I can't take the credit.
My contractors are so entertaining. But anyways, this is how the bathroom looked once it was completely gutted. As you notice, there's floor joists missing. But as you notice, a lot more drywall is being removed. I wanted you guys to see, this is actually before my contractors came in. I had a cleaning crew come first to rip out all the carpet, do the simple demo stuff, but really clean up the yard, get rid of all the weeds. And then this is the backyard. The backyard at one point had carpet all in the back. I don't know why there was carpet, but there was. I think because they didn't want to track mud inside the house, because they were actually using the back of the house as a parking lot. It was just a huge parking lot back there. But as you know from my plans, I plan to close in the backyard and make that my little oasis. Now here we go into the budget. So as you remember, that's the whole entire budget, and then that next to it is what we actually spent the first week. So that is my labor costs, what I paid in services, materials, and products. If you go back to the first video, you know that I've already paid 13,000 some odd dollars, as you see down there, for all the products. So this week, what I paid for was demo house fees, which is like $500 per dump, and then permit. I got the original, or I got the first permit that I needed. And then the floor tile I ordered because it was special tile. It had to be shipped in. I didn't go through very much in detail of everything that I bought, of the product list. And again, from the first week, this is what I knew I needed to buy. This is the labor for the first week. So my labor for actually the first week included carpenter fees, contractor fees, laborer, which is cheaper than the contractor, dump fees, material, and profit and overhead. And then this right here is going back to the main screen so that you can see everything. I wanted to close out with week 1 and week 2 visual so you can see the progress. Stay tuned for week 3.